Hi guys and gals, Froggy here. You guessed it, that's my microwave. And you know what? It's dead. It is everything works fine except nothing gets hot that I put inside of there. So I'm gonna try and fix it. I've looked up a couple of forums, small appliance electronics type repairs, and see if I can show you guys and gals what I do and see if I can have some success fixing this. Now, rule of thumb, what they say is if you've got a cheap microwave and it's like under $200, just buy another one. It's not worth trying to repair it. But if you have a high-end one, this one was about 600 new. They're probably worth fixing. It's about 5 years old. And there are some pretty simple things you can do to fix them, including some cleaning, um, reset switches, discharging capacitors, and worst case, replace the magnetron, which is probably under $100. So here we go. I'm not going to show you every single second of it, but we'll get it apart and we'll have fun looking at it. So there's 5 screws to get the outside cover off. 2 of them are Torx. I don't know why they figured 2 Torx and 3 Phillips head. That was going to prevent somebody from taking it off. I don't know. Anyway, you lift it, kind of lift the back up and pull towards you. Lift up, pull towards you. It slides onto this lip here, and it goes onto this lip here. But mostly, you have to break it loose from the lips. That's all. There you go. See? Okay, we're inside. It doesn't actually look extremely complicated. Famous last words, huh? But there's some information here about. Hold on, there. You're supposed to check some switches if you replace a fuse, and then it tells you there's like 1 fuse. And to discharge the capacitors by short-circuiting the high voltage capacitor terminals. I'm not sure what that is. I might have to look that up. But first I'm going to see if I can find a fuse. Well, that's the high voltage capacitor right there. You can see it says it. I'm going to have to figure out how to discharge it. Still looking for the fuse. And those are probably the 3 switches they're talking about, confirming that they're working okay. 1, 2, 3. Those gray looking things there. Still no fuse. Oh, there it is. There's the fuse right there. Let's see. I think it looks good. I'll have to put the camera. Yeah, that's about as good as you're going to get there. I have to put the camera down, inspect it a little closer. Well, I'm not seeing any obvious burnt components. What I'm going to do is put this video up, and I'll put it on a new forum that I found, and I'll see if anybody can give me any thoughts on this. If I have any luck with that forum, maybe I'll get somebody who's worked on one of these before. The fuse looks good. Right there is the fuse. I didn't discharge anything yet because I don't know how to do that. So maybe if somebody wants to tell me what to touch to what here. We've got 3 tabs that are used up and 1 blank one that's not used. And nothing looks burnt. Everything looks fine. Even the bulb lights up. So let me put this up and see what I get. Thanks.